What a treat I have today. The 2021 Keystone Cougar 25RDSWE travel trailer. The reason why this is such a treat is that we have been waiting, and we are on a wait list until mid to late June for this particular floor plan. In fact, this trailer came in, we snagged it from another dealership because I had a customer who really wants one, put a deposit, and now that this one is here early, we're gonna give him the good news here in a little bit. But I wanted to highlight some of the features of this trailer before we don't see one for the next several months. Taking a look at the pass-through storage right off the bat. If I can get the key in there correctly. You have a full pass-through storage in this travel trailer. Plenty of space. Of course, this is an aluminum framed fiberglass sided wall travel trailer with the in command system, and I'll go over that once we get into the trailer, but that's the brain box. This unit does have a power tongue and power stabilization jacks front and rear. This particular Cougar is equipped with the off-the-grid package, solar package, which includes your ZAMP solar charge controller, as well as a 2000 watt inverter and isolated battery disconnect. Hot water tank heater, your fresh and city water connections, as well as your black tank flush, conveniently located next to your outdoor shower. Your sewage connections, black, gray, and gray. Slide housing your couch and your fridge. We'll get to that when we get inside of the trailer. And this trailer does run off of a 30 amp power, a 50 amp power supply. And being a Keystone product, you do have a fully walkable roof for maintenance and cleaning. As we head in, you're gonna notice the solid step system going all the way to the ground with adjustable feet, and the oversized grab handle entering the travel trailer. This is a rear dining travel trailer at 25 feet on the interior, approximately 29 feet and some change in total length. We'll see that you have a U-shaped dinette right off the bat with a free floating table that can be moved anywhere in the travel trailer or outside. Very flexible. Under the sides of each of the U-shaped dinette, you do have storage compartments, and one on this side. I believe there's one in the center as well. Could be mistaken, but there is some storage space in the center as well. Above, we do have pass-through storage on the top. Let's see if I can get a shot in there. So you can store larger items in that area. And you do have the windows on all sides, giving you a lot of natural light into this space. On the slide, you do have your fold-out sofa, which does turn into a bed, as well as your RV fridge, running off of both propane and electric. Some nice pantry space. Across from the slide, you do have your kitchen and entertainment area. Love this table and how you can just move it around. It's not on the posts, which are wobbly. Really cool. So here you have your in-command center. This is actually the brain of your entire travel trailer. It controls your lights, your awnings, your slides, your HVAC. You can monitor your tank levels and everything through this system, which it also carries an application for you to use your phone as your controller. If anything does go wrong with this system or your cell phone, that control center in the pass-through storage allows for manual operation of all the functions in the trailer that are associated with that in-command system. You do have a television on a swivel mount so that you can bring that out and actually face it towards the dinette or closer towards the couches. Right beneath it, nice window adding some additional light into the trailer. Your audio visual receiver with the USB port and an electric fireplace. That does put out a good amount of heat. Nice little color show along with it. This unit, you see a lot of counter space in that corner. That gives you plenty of space to prepare your meals. Plenty of drawer space. You have your 3-burner propane cooktop, as well as your RV oven, breaker panel, all of your fuses and switches here. One thing to note, it's a heat duct. You have another one right there. Your heat's not flowing through the floor. You don't have those grates where items can fall through and clog up and look kind of dirty. They're blowing out the side, so that's a really cool feature that they've incorporated. Next we have your microwave, gray stone, plus a hood vent and light. See some cabinet space. Now, this is actually pretty deep, 2 levels, and I think it goes around the corner. Actually, we'll have to tell. It does go around the corner. Gives you nice deep storage capacity, but it doesn't look like very much. Here we have your sink, 2 bays on this sink, residential faucet, USB outlets, traditional outlets in your kitchen, storage underneath the sink, and then through this door is actually a full width bathroom with a window, bringing in some additional natural light. Have your shower area and commode area, just so that you can get an idea of the space. Let's put this down. So at 6'3", this is a very wide open shower, plenty of height with this skylight. You can get all your business done in here. On the outside with your commode area, you also have plenty of leg room, plenty of shoulder room in this area, with it being the full width of the travel trailer. You have plenty of space to stretch out, turn around, dry off, get dressed, do whatever you need to do with a lot of privacy. Plenty of countertop space, nice sink, medicine cabinet, additional storage, super spacious restroom. Now moving on to the bedroom. You do have a separate entry door into your bedroom, which is really convenient. And this walk around full-size queen bed is very comfortable. Your wardrobes on either side, plus some storage nooks and an area with outlets and USBs readily available on both sides. One thing to note, the off-the-grid solar package and the inverted outlets in the trailer. You do have inverted outlets in the bedroom in case you have a CPAP machine that you need to operate and function. You also have an inverted outlet in the kitchen and one in the entertainment area, making it super convenient. Again, some more storage space above the bed, very deep. And there we have it, a very spacious, open, and inviting couples travel trailer, 4 seasons, vaulted ceilings with the racetrack vent system, high flow, spreading air in 360 degrees, 20% more airflow. Your hyperdeck flooring, which is composite plastic, sandwiching foam, dense foam inserts, giving you a dent resistant, water resistant flooring. Just an excellent travel trailer. I do appreciate you watching this video, and if you have any questions, don't feel free to ask. And again, this was the 2021 Keystone Cougar 25RDSWE travel trailer.